Have you ever wondered why your new mobile phone batteries discharge so quickly within few months of usage? Did you know that your chargers today available in the market are actually killing your batteries? Chargers today are designed to push your batteries to 100% state of charge, scientifically defined as the stress zone. Not only that, they maintain this stress if connected to a power source for longer hours of duration. While the industry has been focusing on making more lighter and efficient batteries, the basic design behind charging these batteries has not changed much over the years. Devices have become smarter. It's time we make our chargers smart too. We need a change in the way we charge. Hi, I'm Hema, CEO and co-founder at Hybrix Technologies Limited. We are in the business of making intelligent green chargers for all your lithium-ion battery requirements. Chargers are designed to protect the heart of your device, the battery, while you go about doing what you do. Digital adoption has leapfrogged many years with the introduction of lithium-ion batteries in consumer electronics like mobiles, laptops, and tablets. With emerging new markets in e-vehicles and energy storage systems, the demand for these lithium-ion batteries is set to increase to 26%. In a post-COVID scenario, the new normal is marked by heavy usage of these devices and longer hours of charging. While most developments in this space, such as fast charging and wireless, have been focusing more on consumer and device availability, they are only addressing the symptoms of the problem and not addressing the root cause of a deteriorating battery. Scientifically, it's been recommended that the battery level should be maintained between 20 to 80% by small and more frequent boost charges. The elevated battery temperature and ambient temperature also affects the life cycle of a battery. However, today's current chargers do not account for any of these factors. Moreover, there is just one charging algorithm applied across all devices, irrespective of the age and the usage pattern of the consumer. The onus still lies with the consumer to be aware of and to consciously follow these best charging practices. Imagine the impact on our environment in a few years with more than 6 billion active devices today. We bring you X-Optimus intelligent range of chargers that will care for you, your device and your battery and the planet we live in. X-Optimus range of charging solutions includes an intermediate hardware that connects your existing charger to the power source and constantly communicates with the device battery using Bluetooth. Our proprietary mobile app and desktop application installed in the devices use cloud-based algorithms to periodically capture data, analyze them and determine usage patterns, battery health, etc. They provide a unique charge program for your individual battery. This patent-pending hybrid solution ensures optimal charging at all times, even if the device is connected 24/7 to a power source, thus enhancing life expectancy and improved performance of the battery. Other unique features include smart calling that disables charging when you make or receive calls, keeping you and your loved ones safe. 3 user modes based on the activity allows the consumer to plug and forget, leaving the intelligent algorithms to worry about battery while you work from home or play your favorite games. Battery temperature and ambient temperatures are monitored continuously to control the charging process. This is a critical feature for laptops or for charging on the move in vehicles and while using some heavy applications like gaming where batteries can heat up quickly. The number of people using smart devices like phones, laptops and tablets is set to exceed more than 4 billion by 2021. These include a whopping 4.3 million workforce working from home, more than 12 million consumers who are charging on the move like cab operators, delivery guys, and a 240 million consumer base in the gaming industry whose demand for smart devices is increasing at 47% CAGR. Possibilities in e-vehicles and energy storage systems is also very promising. All these consumers require unique solutions for their charging requirements. While our initial consumer base would be B2C direct marketing through the online marketplace and stores, we also intend to expand our consumer base through app-based business partners like Ola, Gojek, Grab, etc. and strengthen our brand image by reviews and testimonials from the gaming community, green citizens and technology geeks. We are looking forward to partner with OEMs who can work with us to design and manufacture compact, competitive go-to-market products, as well as distributors who can expand our market for these products in their regions. The closest we can call competition are timer-based relay type chargers. There is nobody today listening or communicating to your batteries like we do. Finally, let's meet the team behind this innovation. My co-founders Govind and Arun, both young and passionate engineers, along with a few friends, started Voltrint Networks after graduation. They successfully scaled up their business building IoT and smart home automation products. Inspired by their never die spirits, I joined them with 15 plus years of strong agile IT experience, working in top companies like Ford, Pepsi, and TCS, and a management degree from Symbiosis. With a desire to make a difference in this world, we started our journey together as Hybrix Technologies in 2018 and have been recognized for our innovation, excellent teamwork, and synergy of complementary skill sets. Today, we are MVP ready with our X Optimus wall adapter variant for smartphones, tablets, and laptops. We are working on our prototyping for the Charge on the Move variant and our Junction Box variant for office infrastructure. Soon, we'll be exploring extendable solutions for e-vehicle charging stations. Looking for partners and investors to join us through our vision and roadmap. We would love to hear back from you if you are interested to change this world and make it a better place. Thank you and have a great day from all of us at Hybrix.